Today we're gonna have Nerf battle, but first we have to make cardboard box awards because our friends are coming over and we're gonna destroy everyone. We're gonna use these plastic screws to make box forts, and then we're gonna have a box fort battle with our Nerf guns today. I'm making a big window so we can wait, I have a good idea. We need a double window. Double window. Double window. Double window. Yep. Remember the time. Remember here? Daddy, 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 da 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 da. Daddy, da da.
Hole in there, so there's more room for your saw.
And again. And then I do this. In the middle. Da, 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 da. And after this, hello. Hello. Double window done.